and the I-11. Good Jeremy Elliott and the 555. Brady Watson, the 38X, bringing up the last. Bryce Mammer is driving the number 6 car. And David Murphy's driving the 98 again. But into a car full time.
It's a compact car.
So once we get everybody knowing what barrels go around, and I guarantee you somebody's going to mess up. But they'll be a talking to. So the pace truck is off the lap.
You're right. Turn around right there on that.
Bringing them to a stop.
Turn around right there. Right here. Right here. Right there.
Make sure everybody's trying to be on dry ground, huh?
Right there.
That'd be great. I'll get them all situated. I guess what they did is they must have drew cards or something there to whatever order that they have to go into, is how they position them.
I didn't get to see her.
It'd be nice if we had a point system set up like NASCAR, you know, all that, this and that. Get your favorite driver out here tonight. I'll take the last one, I don't know, 38X. I'll take him.
There we go.
Well, no, wait a minute. That's 55, 555. I'll take him in the back. Green means go, right? So anyway, he's talking to the drivers. The official is. We'll get these guys situated. If they have any last questions, I guess it'd be the time to ask them right now. So you guys think this BaJa is a good thing? Yes? No? Yes? Oh, yeah, it'll work. It'll work. So we're going to do 5 laps forwards, then reverse the order, and have them go back and do another 5 more laps. So Mark, are you ready? All the guns and the ends are ready. All right, Crow, let's get these guys started off here. What are we going to have? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let them go! Look at that! 798! Right on there! They're going! Whoa! Come on, that first barrel down! We get the rest of the cars.